क्या करेंगे अब करण? कुछ तो सोचो। इतनी बड़ी बात।
Good afternoon, student of class 7. Today I am going to start a new chapter, fraction, which are called fraction 2 by 9. These type of numbers are known as fraction. In the bottom, whatever is there, that is known as denominator. Upper side, whatever is there, that is known as numerator. Fraction are maybe various types. First, decimal fraction. If the fraction is in the denominator is there, number is like 10, 100, 1000. These are known as decimal fraction. If the number other than the decimal fraction is known as vulgar fraction, 2 by 9, 5 by 6, 7 by 8, these are known as vulgar fraction. Next, unit fraction. If the numerator is 1, 1 by 9, 1 by 8, 1 by 6, these all are known as unit fraction. There are other fraction like proper fraction, 5 by 9. If numerator is less than denominator, then that is known as proper fraction. If numerator greater than denominator, then that is improper fraction. If there is a fraction like 5 complete 9 by 10, this is known as mixed fraction. Now equivalent fraction. Like there is a question, their fraction is given 3 by 8, find the 3 equivalent fraction of 3 by 8. How you can find out? You have to multiply the both term with the same number. So this is one of the equivalent fraction of 3 by 8. Similarly, other fraction you can find out. You can multiply with any number, but whatever number you are multiplying, that should be same in numerator and denominator. In this way, you can find out whatever number of equivalent fraction you want to find out, you can find out. If it is said find out 3 or 5, you can find out 3 or 5. Next, like fraction, unlike fraction. If the denominator is same, like 5 by 8, 7 by 8, 3 by 8, these are known as like fraction. If they are different, like 5 by 9, 6 by 8, 7 by 13, these are known as unlike fraction. How to convert the unlike fraction into like fraction? Unlike to like, how you can convert it? Like there is a unlike fraction is given 5 by 12, 6 by 18, 4 by 6. Convert, how to convert them in a like fraction? First find out the LCM of the denominator, that means 12, 18 and 6. So what you got? 2, 3, 2, 3. 36. Now what should I multiply with 12 to get 36? That is 3. So that becomes 15 by 36. Next, what should I multiply to 18 to get 36? Twelve by 36. What should I multiply with 6 to get 36? 6. 24 by 36. So that becomes 15 by 36, 12 by 36, 24 by 36. Here you can see all the denominator is same, so this become like fraction. So in this way you can convert the unlike fraction into like fraction. Now there is other way to change improper fraction to mixed fraction. That means 9 by 6, that is the improper fraction because their numerator is greater than denominator. How you can convert them in a mixed fraction? Divide it. So that become 1 complete 3 by 9. In this way you can, 3 by 6. In this way you can change the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction? Like 6 by 6 complete 3 by 8 is given. How we can convert it to improper? You have to multiply these two. You have to add this one. And denominator whatever is given, that is there. So that we got 51 by 8. So in this way we can change mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, let's check the exercise 4.1. First you have to identify. You just have to write which one is proper, which one is improper, which one is mixed. Next, like and unlike. Like this one is like fraction, this is unlike fraction, this is like fraction. You have to identify in this way. Next, identify decimal and vulgar. This is obviously decimal fraction, vulgar fraction, decimal fraction. You have to convert these into a mixed fraction. I already show you that how to convert them in mixed. Irreducible form, that means you have to minimize this. Let's check it. Like 5a is given 48 by 72. You can solve in this way. You can minimize in this way, like 24 to 0, 48, 36, again 12, 18, 6, 9, 2, 3. So we got 2 by 3. There is another way. Find out HCF. So we got HCF 24. HCF equal to 24. Now you have to divide numerator and denominator with 24. So what we got? 2 by 3. There is two way, anyone you can follow. Next, you have to convert them in improper fraction. You know that process. You have to find out 3 equivalent fraction of each. Now here, write the equivalent fraction 3 by 7 with numerator 15. That is, you have to convert numerator into 15. For that you have to multiply with 5. That means you have to multiply both the term with 5. So you will get 15 by 35. Next you have to convert denominator into 21. That means you have to multiply 3 with the both term. That means that will 3 into 3 9, 3 into 7 21. So that become 9 by 21. Next, write the equivalent fraction of 72 by 96 with 3. Numerator, you have to make the numerator 3. That means you have to divide 72 by a number. That should be become 3. That's why I have to divide 72 by 24. Similarly, you have to divide 96 by 24. So answer will be 3 by 4. You have to convert them in like fraction. I already show you how to convert them in a like fraction. Compare the following. Which one is greater, which one is less, you have to write. How you can compare? First you have to convert them in like fraction, then you'll understand which one is greater, which one is less. Up to 11 you try to do that. After that I will 13, 14 you have to convert them in like fraction, then you can arrange them easily. Here also you have to convert them in a like fraction, then you have to arrange them easily. Look at that, this is already arranged in a like fraction. So here you don't have to do anything. You just have to arrange them in ascending order. This math is same, but in other case you have to first convert them in like fraction, then you have to arrange them. Next 15, you have to find out 3 fractions between these two numbers. 15 and 12 I am doing how to do that. Math number 15, look at that. There is 2 fractions, 2 by 4, 3, 3 by 4. You have to find out 3 fractions between them. Okay, I am changing that. Multiplying both the term with 3. Now this way not possible. Sorry. First you have to find out the LCM of 3 and 4. And I will get that is 12. Now convert them in like fraction. Eight by 12 and that is 9 by 12. I am changing that again. Multiplying with 3. You can multiply with any number. I am multiplying. Now between 24 and 27 is 3 fraction is not there. So again I am increasing that. Now between a 48 and 54 there is 3 fraction. You can write here 49 by 72, 50 by 72, 51 by 72. In this way you can find out the fraction between the numbers. Math number 12, you have to simplify, like 1 complete 1 by 8 by 24. 1 complete 1 by 8, first convert it in improper fraction. That become 9 by 8 by 24. There is no number, that means 1 is there. And that is division. If you multiply it, that will be inverted. 24 by 1 will be 1 by 24. In this way you can solve. If you have any doubt in any question, you can ask me.